What's up? It's Hustle. Today we got 3 decks, and they going to Alabama, I believe, Mississippi. One or two of them. It's been a while since I checked the invoice, but yeah, we got 3 decks going out there. I'm not gonna say I'm behind, but we got a lot of stuff going on here, and of course, it's like as soon as you get stuff going on, that's when stuff goes wrong. As soon as you get stuff going wrong, that's when people ask you to do stuff for them. All that type of stuff. So, right now, I'm not even gonna be trying to get these videos together, get them posted. And I'm like 6 videos behind. I got them on my phone, got them recorded, most of them edited, all that. I just gotta post them. Most of them just need a thumbnail or something like that. But I'm gonna get caught up real soon. And appreciate y'all for watching. About to get to it.
W Beats with another banger. Turn it up. W Beats with another banger. Turn it up.